Alright guys, so Samsung has released the Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 update for Samsung Galaxy A20s and the A10s. So if you have the A10s or the A20s and haven't got the update notification, then don't worry, you will get the update within few days, or you can also check it manually by heading to your settings, about phone, and then software update menu. Now, initially this update was actually scheduled to be released in August according to this roadmap for both smartphones, but it's good to see that Samsung has released the update month before the scheduled date, which is nice because if you take a look at Samsung's updating history, they've always been slow when it comes to giving the software updates, especially to its entry-level and mid-range smartphones. But that's not the case this year, and they are already ahead of their updating schedule. So I don't have the screenshot for the update for both smartphones, but the update has this version number, the A10s has this version number, and the A20s has this version number. The size will be around 2 gigs, and it's same on both smartphones. And also the security patch level, which is July 2021, is also the same on both smartphones. So this update has Android 11, and it will bring all the stock Android 11 features as well, like built-in screen recording, much better media controls, chat bubbles, and things like that. And on top of Android 11, there will be a new version of Samsung's custom UI or skin, which will be One UI 3.1, which is an enhanced version of One UI 3.0, which means that you'll get the latest features of the One UI 3.0 and the 3.1 in this single update. Now, Samsung added a lot of new visual changes in the UI. Everything looks so smooth and more snappy. Some changes that One UI 3.1 brings includes a control center with a blur background, new volume control sliders, enhanced dark mode. You can add widgets on your lock screen like weather, to-do list. There is also a full edge-to-edge video call layout. And there's also a screen time setting that shows how long you have used your smartphone or how often you check it while driving. And there's a sleep tracker as well. And definitely there will be a lot more changes and features in this update, which obviously I can't cover in this short update video. So talking about the rollout, so this update is currently rolling out in Asian countries like Malaysia, and it will expand to other countries in upcoming days. Now, the update might take some time depending upon what model of A20s or A10s you have and in which region you are living, but I think it won't take long, and by the end of July the update will become available in every single country. So if you haven't received the update notification yet, then you don't need to worry, because the update is now officially out by Samsung, and soon your A10s or the A20s will get the Android 11 update with One UI 3.1 on top. And yeah, that's pretty much it from my side about the Android 11 update regarding the A10s and the A20s. Let me know down in the comments if you have got the update or not. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more further and future updates, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.